Here we are, another episode of Vito from Jersey.
Hey, this is Vito from Jersey, and me and Carlo from Jersey.
Ciao tutti quanti. What are we rating tonight, Vito?
We got a, what is it? Well, you got your label on? A Vega 5A. It's not the life changer.
We'll see. You never know. Maybe it is. We'll see at the end of this cigar. All right, where are we gonna put it? Up here?
Carlo, can you blow a ring like this? Watch.
What a talent. What a talent.
I don't want to hear nothing dirty. I'll come over there and they'll be finding your body parts all over the state of New Jersey. I hear anything about the way I smoke my cigar.
My father used to say,
I'll
tear your heart out, he goes.
What did I used to say? What did I used to say? I'll tear off your arms and beat your head with them. I'll tear off your legs and stuff them down your throat. I'll plug 40 shots into your head and then I'll kill you. Hold on. Let's go here. You can come over this way. Go this way. We're going into the cabinet here. What was it? Not for Frank Milano.
They should call it Milano, never mind VO.
VO for Frank Milano.
Seagram's Milano, they should call it.
Seagram's Milano.
All right.
Good thing on him. Aspetta. Questo un numero uno. Disgraziato. E Veva forte. E Frank Milano è numero uno ubriacone in questo paese. Numero uno. Nessuno un ubriacone disgraziato cornuto e festo come una io. So.
All right. Set it up. Where do you want to put it? Over here? Back here a little more?
Over there.
It's still running.
Over Go ahead. Go sit over there.
What do you want? That's what you want to
No, you sit over there. Over there.
Let me get my coffee. Take it easy.
Over there. He has his espresso. He don't give two shits about nothing now. Aspetta. What do we got here? And around. Like a merry-go-round.
Top goes in and out, yeah. Then you pull that back and forth.
Aspetta here. Alright, you know what I gotta do?
You got it?
Perfetto!
Alright.
Perfetto!
You gotta make me a regular coffee too, after this is done. Alright.
So what do you think? Wrapper, dough,
Nice. Very good.
see my wrapper though?
Yeah, it's like discolored in spots.
Could it be like, was it my humidor like that or?
Shouldn't.
How about yours?
Yeah, it's just rough. It's a rough wrapper. It's probably Connecticut broadleaf wrapper. They're rough. The clock cone.
You want a little shot of whiskey?
After the coffee. Maybe put it in the coffee. Put it in the coffee. Tony's missing tonight, right?
Yeah, Tony's missing. Boy, is he a cranky fuck. He is a cranky son of a gun, man. Well, he's in pain a lot with his leg and stuff, you know?
Yeah, can't blame him.
Tony, è numero uno mafioso di questo paese. Io in galera. 15 anni. 15 anni in galera. Sì, questo l'amo da pazzo.
Yeah, what he said.
Carlo's mother and father are from Italy, just like mine, but he don't speak Italian. Why not?
I was the third of 3 children, the youngest one. So by the time I was born, everybody was speaking English. You know what I'm saying? It was English spoken in the
You're
house.
old, is your sister? She speak Italian?
Yeah. And then my brother a little bit less, and then me. You know, everything was English by that time. I understand, but I butcher the language. I butcher it terribly. It's a beautiful language, you know.
Italian I speak like a Tanglish. A Tanglish.
That's what everybody around.
We don't speak Italian. We speak a Tanglish, like bacaus. For the bathroom, bacaus, right? The bacaus, that means back house. That's just an English word with an Italian accent.
It's a fusion.
Yeah, we used to say it's a fusion. We used to say like, Gumba, I go start on the bacaus. Where's the bathroom? Oh, bacaus. So the first time I went to Italy when I was a kid, I had to go to the bathroom. So I said to the guy, excuse, I said, I go start on the bacaus. Kid, bacaus. So I said, ci fanno pisciò, so I gotta take a piss. So he goes, un cabinetto. The word for bathroom is cabinetto, a cabinet, un cabinetto. So I said to my father, I said, Dad, I said bacaus, he didn't understand. He said, that's not Italian, that's bacaus. It's like...
Tell him about the way Dean Martin sings, right?
Oh, Dean Martin, Madonna me.
I like Dino. Well, now be easy now, go easy.
I like Dean Martin too, he's a great singer. I listen to him all the time. But when he sings Italian, he destroys the language. He destroys, like he just makes up any old friggin' word that like sounds Italian. Like when he was singing, what's that? What's that? Volare. When he sings Volare, now it's Mel blu de pinto de blu, felice di stare lassù, felice di stare lassù. Fly way up to the clouds, felice. He goes, Mel blu de pinto de blu, che dice? Che dice? Che dice means, how you doing? What do you say? What do you say up in the air? Don't make any sense. You know?
Yeah.
And my cousin Nunzio from Sicily, Nunzio Quattrocchi, he's got the Nunzio Quattrocchi show. Look on YouTube, he has a whole show. Nunzio Quattrocchi from Sicily. He's got it like really, not like Vito from Jersey. This guy's got like the big letters and everything. He's all over the place. He's got about 400 videos up. Nunzio Quattrocchi show.
Really?
Yeah. Look it up, Nunzio Quattrocchi. He says, he did a thing. When we did that one thing about Hoboken, how the yuppies say mozzarella instead of mozzarella, he sent me one he did. He said, I love the Americans. He used to live in Clifton. He used to live in Jersey. He went back to Italy. He goes, but why you Americans say mutz? Mozzarella. Like we do. We say mozzarella. We say mutz. Right? For mozzarella cheese, we say mutz. He goes, why you say? He goes, it's mozzarella, not mutz.
Mozzarella.
Mozzarella.
Give me some mozzarella.
Why you say mozzarella? He goes, it's mozzarella. And the American, you know, give me some mozzarella cheese. The yuppies, give me some mozzarella cheese. Give me an extra large pizza with some mozzarella cheese. Now we would say,
how about Parmesan cheese?
Parmesan.
Give me some Parmesan.
Parmesan. Parmesan.
Parmesan.
It's real, let me see, Parmesan.
Parmesan.
Real Italian, it's Parmesan.
Parmesan.
But then you got the Sicilian, like I speak Sicilian. Like real Italian is like, I was learning like real Italian. Like when they say, give me a cup of coffee, lei vorrebbe una tazza di caffè. Would you like a cup of coffee? Lei vorrebbe una tazza di caffè.
Well, the problem in Italy is all different dialects.
All different dialects.
It's like the United States. If you go down south, right? There's different, you know what I'm saying? Different slang words. Italy's the same thing. Boy, you get excited with those rings, aren't you? Doesn't take much when you get old, huh? Jesus Christ.
You know what it'd be like? Let's say you learned English in Germany. Let's say you were German, born and raised in Germany. You learned English in school. You learned really good English. And then you came to America and you went to Alabama. and you said, "Where's Joe?" And they said, let's say they were saying, "He's down there digging for potatoes." You would understand that. But let's say you were in Alabama and you said, "Where's Joe?" And the guy went, "Down yonder digging tires." You wouldn't know what the hell he said.
It's just slang.
Down yonder digging tires. Like they say tires.
Italy's the same way.
When I was in the army, you guys used to go, "Give me some of them our titers." What the frig is a tater? Give me some of them our titers. You know? Them our. How the hell did I say it?
And supposedly Italy has more dialects. Well,
every town. Well, like in other words, like if I would say in Italian, "What a beautiful horse," I would say, "Che bello il cavallo." Cavallo. His name is Cavallo. Carlo Cavallo.
Charlie horse.
Charlie horse.
What it is?
Carlo Cavallo.
Nobody laugh out there. I don't know what it is.
Charlie horse. Let's say you say, che bello il cavallo." That's what a beautiful horse. In Sicilian, we would say, "Che bello cavallo." Che bello cavallo. Hey, what a beautiful day. Che bella giornata in Italian. Che bella giornata. We say, "Che bella giorno." Che bella giorno.
Completely different.
Not really. You could, your giornato a giorno. I don't know, a giorno is a day. You know?
Check how much time.
Let me see.
You're allowed to put more than 15 on you.
Yeah. 11:42.
A couple more minutes. You gonna make the coffee for me or what?
We'll make the coffee.
Here's Vito's baby. Vito's gonna make me a tazza cafe.
See that? That's the symbol of Sicily. That's the Sicilian flag. This is called the Trenacchia. You want it in this cup, Carlo? Or you want that big cup?
Yeah, make it a big cup. Let's get Vito with his little baby here. Here we go. I'm gonna zero right in on it.
I don't have no more milk, Carlo.
Nothing? You're scaring me now.
I got this.
All right, that's good. That's good.
I got Chucky's, one more Chucky's real strong coffee.
All right.
Cafe Abruzzo.
Chucky, you're watching this? I appreciate it, buddy. That's good coffee.
That's real strong. You want sugar in it, Carl?
Yeah.
One. How's the ash on this, Carlo?
Nah.
What do you think?
Mine was all.
You want to do another cigar instead of this one? You want to dump it and do the Red Corojo?
You want to do it? I'm not crazy about it.
Okay, this is the Vega 5A. I'm not crazy about it. It wasn't the life-changing triple.
Nah. Life-changing, all right. It's like if somebody run you over with a truck and change your life. That's life-changing too. We're gonna go to the Punch Rare Corojo, right?
All right, are we done?
Good.
This is Vito from Jersey, and this is Carlo.
Also from Jersey.
14 minutes and 4 seconds. YouTube gave me 15 minutes, gave me 5 minutes more. You're only allowed to do 10 minutes, they gave me 5 minutes.
You're special.
More.
They said Vito from Jersey's a special kind of guy.
Vito from Jersey, you tell me what you think.